Okay, we did a few interesting things today. We did a few not interesting things today. The most interesting thing we did was try to bring in some samples from a movie, some dialogue samples, and use them in the song. I don't know if they really work, but it was a kind of fun experiment, and we got to try out a new feature of Logic that we hadn't used previously. The basic idea is that in the song we've got this this sound, a little bing. And I call it a sonar, and I'm even calling this sonar drum and bass just as a working title right now, because it sounds kind of like a ping from a submarine. And anytime I think about pings on a submarine, I think about the Hunt for the Red October, the movie with Sean Connery, where he says,
"Verify our range to target. One ping only."
It's a pivotal moment in the movie. I'm not going to spoil it for you if you haven't seen it before, but since I am trying to figure out like how to like put more vocal elements in that aren't just like straight up stealing the like melodic vocals from another EDM song and trying to like do something that's kind of our own idea, this seemed like kind of a fun thing to do, and like putting it into this context.
Verify our range to target. One ping only.
I don't hate it. Figuring out how to like make it sit, how to like put other things in there is going to be the hard part, and also like not just straight ripping the audio in. I don't want to change it too much because I want it to sound like Sean Connery, but I don't want it to trigger all of the copyright stuff, you know? But it was kind of cool to use the new features that they've added in Logic recently, where I can come in and basically use the AI processing stuff to split a specific dialogue, a specific sound into different types of sounds. So I was able to just choose the vocals here, and I was able to turn this raw audio,
Re-verify our range to target,
which has all this noise in the background, into this.
Re-verify our range to target.
So much cleaner. One other thing we did was like copy and paste everything over. I changed up some little snare drum hits, and I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do next on this drop and actually start finishing out, like expanding out the song in all directions, so we're not just getting too deep in the weeds on one section and not actually finishing a song. I want to finish another song. It's been a little bit. So that's all we did today, though. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.